Every child is so very special. They come into our lives like a bright light. God gives us these children. They are a true gift from Him. Each one is unique and different. No two children are ever the same. They are precious beyond all measure. Their laughter is a sweet song. A child is like a tiny seed full of amazing potential. They have dreams waiting to grow. They have talents waiting to be found. Our job is to help them bloom. God has a plan for each child. We nurture them with love and care. When a child is born, it is a miracle. Cherish these moments of pure joy. We show our love in many ways. Words are important. Actions are too. Touch is a powerful way to show love. A gentle touch can say so much. It can say, I am here for you. It can say, you are safe with me. Children learn about love through touch. It is a language their hearts understand well. But not all touch is loving. Touch must always be respectful. It must make a child feel good. It must make them feel safe and secure. It should never make them feel scared. We must teach them this difference early. Our hands should always be kind hands. Parents and caregivers are important models. Children watch what we do very closely. Our bodies are amazing gifts from God. Every part of our body is important. Some parts of our body are private. These are very special parts. We need to take extra care of them. It is good to learn about these parts. This helps us keep our bodies safe. Understanding this is a key to their well-being. How do we know which parts are private? Think about wearing a bathing suit. The parts of your body covered by a bathing suit are private. These are your special swimsuit zones. This rule is for boys and for girls. It helps everyone understand their private areas clearly. These private parts are just for you. No one should touch these parts without a good reason. Sometimes a doctor or parent needs to help keep you clean or healthy, but they should always tell you why. And it should make you feel safe and respected. You are in charge of your body. Touch can be a wonderful way to show love. Think about a warm hug from someone you trust. It can make you feel so much better. A gentle pat on the back can say, good job. Holding hands can make you feel connected. These are touches that make us feel good inside. These are healthy, respectful touches indeed. Healthy touches always feel safe. They make you feel happy and cared for. They never hurt your body or your feelings. A high five is a fun, healthy touch. A comforting arm around your shoulder is too. These touches build trust and friendship. They show love without causing any worry or fear. It is also important to know about touches that are not okay. Hitting or pushing is never okay. Any touch that makes you feel scared is not okay. Any touch on your private swimsuit zones, if it's a secret or makes you uncomfortable, is not okay. You have the right to say no. Parents and caregivers, we have a special job. We are like guiding lights for our children. We help them learn about the world. We teach them how to be safe and strong. Teaching about bodies and respectful touch is part of this. It is one of the most important lessons we can impart. We must talk openly with our children. Create a home where they feel safe to ask questions. Let them know they can always come to you. If something makes them feel uncomfortable, they should tell you. Listen carefully to what they say. Believe them and support them always without any doubt. Remind your children often, your body belongs to you. This simple message is so powerful. It gives them a sense of ownership. It empowers them to protect themselves. Practice saying no to unwanted touch. Help them understand that their voice matters greatly.